works with that amount of gap. I rolled it with 2.
It froze. Now we're going to resume. It's my computer freezing, not the website.
Okay. Alright, I rolled it. Diagonal almost meets the corner, so that's good. Flip it over. Eyeball it again. Right about right there. I want to say. Flip it. Crank it. Secure it. Cut it. Cutting these keys over because apparently the gauge location was wrong on my machine. Oh, where the phone's gone off. Hold on. Then, testing glove box. And the moneymaker turns. Still unprogrammed. Thank God. Still unprogrammed. Alright, and she's dead. Cool. Jared Garza, the Locksmith Academy. I hope you learned something new.